that we need to recognize the divine in everyone. And then we drop that illusion. We connect back to the one, right? This is where we're all heading, is back to that reconnection, and that we're all divine. Earth is a playground of choice, a way to experience the physical body and all of the sensations of time, space, an illusion of time moving only forward. Okay, so I've talked about this in other live streams where we talk about divine time and connecting back to that divine time. And what they're saying is that this is a playground. You know, you can think of it like a school or a playground or jail, however you want to think about it. The universe doesn't judge you for how you think about things. It only reflects back to you what you believe to be true.